The question of what is intelligence is simultaneously simple, but also very confusing and very contextual. So the concept of intelligence is a human-made construct. There is no other species that tries to assess or measure or determine the relative intelligence or capabilities of the other creatures around it. I don't think artificial intelligence will replace people in the future. Machines are uniquely capable of doing particular tasks that human beings have done, and they can do it better. But that was the same with factories, that's the same with a vehicle, a car versus a person running, that's also the same with my calculator or my iPhone. So I personally am not concerned about artificial intelligence replacing people. I think the more important question is, what are the forms of intelligences that humans have that we've traditionally undervalued that we should amplify and focus on as we move toward a new measurement of intelligence? So here's my advice to students or professors who are thinking about how to use artificial intelligence in education. The first question to ask is, what is the purpose of the education that you are getting? What are you trying to get out of it? And actually, what the most important thing about learning is that school is there to teach you how to think, not teach you what to think. So your use of artificial intelligence should augment things like critical thinking, cognitive capacity, and relative understanding of complex issues. Now, if you're using AI to replace that sort of thinking, then you are headed down the wrong path, and it will not be beneficial even for you in the medium to long term.